Let's do a few examples of writing expressions to help us solve word problems. So they tell us Susie ran a race. She ran 5 miles an hour, and the race took her T hours to complete. How long was the race? Write your answer as an expression. All right, if we were trying to figure out the number of miles, you'd want to take her speed, which is in miles per hour, so 5 miles per hour, times the number of hours. So the number of hours is t. So you could literally just write that as 5t. 5t literally means 5 times t. Now another way you could have done it is you could have used this little dot symbol here. This is not a decimal. It sits higher than a decimal, and it means multiplication. 5 times t. Either of these, 5.t or 5t, means 5 times t. It makes sense. You take your speed times your time, and you'll figure out how far you actually went. Check my answer here. Let's do a few more of these. The Running Aces card team won $548 playing poker in tournaments last year. The winnings were split evenly among the P players. How much money did each, I guess you say how much money, not how much of money, it's a grammatical error. How much money did each player receive? Write your answer as an expression. So they had $548, and they had to split it evenly among the P players. So they're going to split it. So I'm just going to do a backslash here, or I literally could have just clicked on this as well. 548 divided by P. I'm going to divide the amount of money we got amongst the number of players. So that's how much money each player actually receives. Let's check the answer and got it right. Let's do a few more of these. Phil received a prize of X dollars from a poker tournament. The tournament cost him $100 to enter. What were Phil's net winnings from the tournament? Write your answer as an expression. All right, his net winnings. Okay, he gets X dollars, but it's not like he just walks away with X. I mean, he does get the X dollars, but he had to pay something to enter the tournament. He had to pay $100 to enter the tournament. So, for example, if X was $105, he wins $105. But if he had to spend $100 to enter the tournament, then his net would be $105 minus $100, or $5. So this is giving us the net. We're getting how much he got, but we're subtracting how much he actually had to spend. Let's do one more of these. Hillary made 48 chocolate chip cookies and Y sugar cookies. How many total cookies did Hillary make? Well, 48 chocolate chip cookies. And then to add that, the number of sugar cookies she made, and there you have it. That's the total number of cookies she made. If she made 2 sugar cookies, Y would be 2, and she would have made a total of 50 cookies. If she made 100 sugar cookies, then this would be 100 plus 48, which would be 148 total cookies. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of practice, and I encourage you to do this exercise so you get a lot more practice.